how to hide stream chat on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide stream chat on Twitch. So how do you hide stream chat on Twitch? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Twitch account just like I've done here. Then find your way to the stream that you would like to watch and hide chat. So once you're on the stream page, automatically you see the video on the main page. Then by the right side, you also see the chat. In order to hide this chat, move to the bottom part of the chat box, the chat window where you can see chat settings, and click on the gear icon, which is the chat settings. Then a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see my preferences as the headline, and then you can see options like chat filters, post chat, screen recorder, chat appearance, hide chat. So go ahead to click on hide chat, and then just like that, as you can see, notification which says that the chat is hidden, and you can go ahead to continue with watching your stream. So this is it. All right, thank you for watching, and go ahead to hide that chat now. Ensure you subscribe and then leave a like for this video.